work though?
No, probably not.
No, probably not. All right.
But it makes you feel like.
More. There's another. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of CHA Racing. It's been a while since we did anything. The last thing we did was the transmission on my car. We have the torque specs for his suspension, and he's been having a bunch of squeaks and stuff like that. So we are going to now torque everything the way that it should, or just retorque it at this point, huh?
Just really checking everything out.
Yeah. Let's start by doing those. I'm gonna close the door so.
Yeah, or you know what we could do?
What's that?
If you want to just hold the brakes.
Oh.
Hop in, hold the brake, and I'll brake them.
Good call. Oh. Did you lock it? You locked it in the garage with the top down?
No, automatically lock itself.
He's lying.
We got it.
What's up? We want to do with this?
Just put it in center console, or on center console.
Oh, fuck, I don't fit.
Always sketchy, right?
Oh, wait, I can't even. Okay, where's. Okay, there we go. Woo! Oh, wait. Let me grab the steering wheel. Yeah.
Good?
Yep. All right, ready? This is how you do it. Two people. One just holds, does nothing, just sweats in the seat. And in my seat, so. And the one has to go out there and slave away. I will say that this fabric in here feels like it dissipates heat better than my car, for sure.
Well, yeah, it's because it's basically just like a net. Like, there's no foam or anything in here.
Oh,
it's
wow.
It's literally just a net there in here.
But it gets tense, like, as I sit back, as I sit further into the seat, I feel like it gets tense. So it kind of like holds you.
It might. Probably
like,
because it's
it's
being
stretching
closed into this as well.
Yeah, maybe.
But there's no lumbar support. That's the worst fucking part of it.
Yeah.
So on a long drive, you'll end up, and it's also because it's slick.
Yeah.
You'll end up just sliding, and your ass is fucking down here. And then if you go out on the fucking track, you just slide all over the place. You have to lock yourself into it, and if you don't get it right the first
Yeah, see,
time,
mine's not like that. I have much more.
Huh?
I have much more bolstering on the sides.
Yeah, there's not a whole lot of bolstering on this one. Especially not on the ass. That's the biggest problem.
Yeah.
I guess I forgot
The
to tell you.
craftsmanship, look at that. What's up?
I have a PCI mount on the way.
A PCI mount.
Yeah, for a seat.
Oh, did you order one?
Yeah, well that dude ended up cutting me a good deal, so I'm saving like $60 off of it.
With no seat?
No seat.
That's alright. That's like my harness bar with no harnesses.
So now I have to get a seat, so.
Wait, why am I holding this?
Well, for the back, they don't. These pads don't grip really well on the.
Oh, really?
No, they really don't.
What if you pull the parking brake?
You have to pull it really fucking hard for it to grip.
Really?
Yeah, for enough for that.
Yeah.
Like 88, yeah, we're good.
Alright. I don't know why I slowly got off the brakes as I was here, just gonna rollers.
You serious?
Yeah. Whoops. Better strong hand it. One hand. Pop it up. You just walk away?
Bro, I want to get my glove.
My glove.
I want my hands dirty.
Look, these are 3 pounds. These are light, son.
Dude, you're also, up to what, 2 inches? No, 1 inch? How many years?
1 inch, what's that? I'm sorry?
10s or 11s?
Mine's 10s.
Oh, these are 9s. But they're 17 versus 18.
Yeah. Where do you want your wheels? Just anywhere set aside?
Yeah, it doesn't really make a difference.
Oh, yeah, you should see me later. Ooh, that didn't sound promising, huh?
Oh, no, it was fine. This thing is just fucking...
Oh, gotcha. Wait, you want one of the other ones?
Probably, but I don't like a 2 to go.
Alright, well, we can put them back on with the other ones.
What was I going to say? I probably need to put some 8 or longer lugs on the back.
Oh, you're not running them on the rear?
Huh?
I thought you were running them on front and back.
No, I just replaced the front.
Oh.
Did you see how little thread is actually on there?
Yeah, there's...
That's it, it's off.
Yeah, it does move quite a bit, too.
Yeah.
I'm gonna stick it on the road. Totally up to you. When you order some, ooh,
What is it?
nice little cracks in there.
Oh shit, you're right. Interesting.
It's time, dude.
Oh yeah, no, I know it's
Getting to time. Unless you could throw those ones back on it. I mean, they're not as pretty, but
Again, I'm honestly thinking I should just sell those.
those ones up there.
Yeah, I mean.
Well, I would post them, but we throw them on.
Yeah.
What's the benefit of us having them up here right now and tearing those ones up when we can just throw these on? Do you want to throw these on now? Totally up to you. If not,
well, we'll throw those on tonight just so you can see what they look like. I'm not a huge fan of them. I like the wheels a lot, but the color doesn't go well with mine. Those are heavy.
I like the color though. I like that color more, but I like that color.
Those are, I mean, it is a 17 by 8 versus 17 by 9, but those are like 14 pounds and these are like 18 pounds. So,
Street driving, we have no reason to have these ones on.
I know.
We're just cycling stuff out for
These
no
look
reason.
better, so I like them. So. And also, there's no track day, so what's the point in saving these fucking tires?
That's all right.
They were already, they need to be flipped probably like 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 miles ago. They're not that bad. They look way worse on the car.
They look, honestly, they look a lot cleaner than mine because mine has a lot of rough edges compared to this, but
Right.
I have more tread than you though. But my tread is destroyed.
Yeah.
I don't know if that's...
Well, it may honestly come down to the surfaces that you've...
Exactly, yeah. I don't know if that's a whole East Coast, West Coast difference, but...
Our,
You said your track was new though.
yeah, it was smooth as fuck too. And overall, one of our autocross circuits were really, really smooth as well. They were nice on tires.
Yeah, I was running an old track.
Yeah.
Older, I guess. I can't complain. All right, so you found all these where?
Someone posted it in the
Miata thing?
HPD forum.
Okay, so we'll just take
I couldn't find it
those,
to save my life.
and then we'll just use the 2 torque wrenches and then just make adjustments or whatever.
Yeah.
All right. You turned it the wrong way.
Yeah. See, it's turned here.
Where's the light?
I don't know. Oh, I feel like it's out back or on the...
No, I thought I brought it in a little bit ago.
Some with the little yellow one?
The little yellow one I thought was inside.
Well, we're using this picture right here.
Oh, shit. I stuck you.
It's alright.
Okay.
Alright, so we're gonna need to twist this brake line here because obviously it's not supposed to be like that and it's rubbing. So we need to twist it to where it's gonna fall over here.
Fine. All right. First one you want to do is a lower control arm, you said?
Yeah, might as well just because we have those specs.
Okay. So we'll have to...
So
you
these-
said what was the spec again? You said
These big
45.
fat boys are 47, 40 to 47, so we'll go with 47.
Okay.
They might be good, but
Yeah. Torque it, why not?
yeah,
We have it up. All right, so you said, what, 45?
47.
47?
Oh, this is a half-inch drive.
Yeah, that's that big one. The other one's the other size.
Yeah, we're gonna have to go to the small one because I don't have. Well, I do have an adapter, but apparently you don't really want it to work with an adapter. I mean, you can, but apparently it gives, is what I've heard. Some people say you don't. I don't fucking know.
So it's that one. So that one, you just spin it,
Yeah.
so it unlocks, and then just grips the whole handle.
Oh, I locked it.
Alright, so first one, back.
We might not even need this, but just in case. Oh, so we might just be way over.
Seems good. Wait, good. Want to loosen it?
Yep.
Give it another second.
Yeah. Jesus Christ. All right, this is way over torque, huh?
Can't get it?
No.
If it's tight,
I'm gonna grab gloves.
yeah, if it's tight, also let's use the, let's not use the gear one.
Yeah.
I have another one right here. Let's try again.
Alright, so it's loosening. Come on, bitch. Huh. That's gotta be less. Made a catch. There we go.
Oh, we know that one's right.
Yeah, right.
Do you want to do one and the other, or do you want to do one full side and the other?
Yeah, I'm gonna do one full side then the other.
Okay.
I'm gonna double check these. Just to make sure. Yeah, basically everything down this 47.
Nice. Does it place it in order or just shows you everything and then you just do it?
It just shows you everything and you do it.
Oh, yeah. Torque spec's the same on that side?
Yeah.
Okay. So it's probably over tightened again? Or are you just gonna...
It's likely. Let's see. Yeah, it's over tightened. I wonder if they over tightened it when I got my alignment. I bet that's what happened.
Maybe.
So this is where the camera bolts are. Interesting. Alright, and the last one's gonna be this guy here, but I'm not that worried about it, but maybe we should do it anyway.
We should do it. It's already out. Exposed. I want to do everything and then find out that was a culprit.
Yeah. Where are we at there? 17.
17?
God damn it. Oops.
All in the way, huh?
Oh, look at all that smoke.
Is it spinning or what?
Yeah, it's spinning.
That was done.
All right. What are the uppers? Oh boy, it's hot.
Oh yeah. It's only 108.
Yeah, right?
Only.
But it's a dry heat.
Smack the next person. Tell me it's dry heat.
Right.
I have a problem.
I'm an ignorant motherfucker that said that.
Why do you think I had to put my iPad on ice to play PUBG? Not even joking. I had a frozen. It was crazy because I took like a bag, like a Ziploc bag. I filled it with water and I stuck it in the freezer and I would let it freeze. So when we were gonna play, I would just pull it out and set the iPad on top of it and then be playing on it. And it stayed fine and it ran fine. But if it was like this and I was playing, my fingers would get sticky and start sticking to the screen and everything else. It was miserable.
Oh yeah, I'm sure.
What? What's wrong?
I might have read that wrong. I think those might have been right.
When they were tight?
Yeah. This is like, see those guys there?
Uh-huh.
Those are 120.
Oh, so you're
And those are the only cast or camber bolts.
quite a bit off right now then.
Yeah.
All right, so let's set it to 120.
I'm just gonna look over this one more time, just make sure everything's right.
BRB along again. All right, so you're redoing them with the tops being 45?
Yeah, correct.
Okay, and then the bottoms we're gonna redo afterwards at
120.
120.
Sorry, everybody. It's
But did you die? It is hot.
What excuses should I throw out there? Because you know
I can't read.
Yeah, right. There you go. Illiterate fuck.
All right, you know what?
What up?
I don't care if there's wind noise. I'm sorry if there's wind noise, but I'm turning the fan on. This is a little bit absurd.
Do you not have a shallow 17?
For what size? If not, then use the other wrench.
Oh yeah, sorry. Yeah, this is wheel's
It's not that one. You have it over there.
Okay.
You need a 17 set?
Yeah, correct.
I don't have a shallow 17, but you might have a shallow 17.
Yeah, but I only have one shallow 17. I need two.
Wait, why?
If you have a 17 wrench, we have two 19s here.
You want me to go under and hold it or something?
No.
Would it make it easier?
No. It's a little trickier. If I can get the room in there. Holy fuck, that is in there.
You loosening it or what?
Ratchet.
Here, want Daddy to do it?
Yeah, dude, but that thing's flexing its ton. I really love it.
No, remember, I did this as a man.
Alright.
You gotta put. See, this is the problem right here, boy. Wait, are you using ratchets on anything?
No, it should be
Okay.
able to loosen itself up.
Well, they're not. Are they not ratchet wrenches?
No.
Okay, I just don't want to break the gears with this. Oh shit!
Yeah, I told you.
Holy shit, son!
Ooh. Did we break it? Yeah, I was expecting the tube to break off.
No. I don't like that.
Dude, that motherfucker is inside.
Who tightened that?
Don't have an answer for you.
Son.
I can get a breaker for it, man. I've got 17 here.
That's crazy.
I know. I don't know if he not adjusting it or messing with it. Cause I haven't fucked with the uppers since we put those in. It's been on track of business since then. I don't know why that would affect that. I don't know why it would have a tightening effect. Oh,
Are you spinning the whole thing?
that's welded. This is just a stuff. Okay.
Oh man, look at our pain. Look at the pain. Look at the face of pain.
Maybe I'm wrong about that. Actually, maybe it's not.
Is it moving though?
Oh, we'll move too easily.
Oh, yeah. You know what? We were doing it wrong. We were doing it wrong the entire time.
That's why I always follow a manual.
Oh god.
Actually,
All
it feels like it was probably about 45.
right, so what we were doing was trying to spin the nut off. A nut that is welded. But it ain't gonna work. Nice. All right, so now that one's coming on pretty well.
Yeah. That other one's on. So check this one. Turn back up so be sure.
Some torque on her. Get some torque on her. Yes, sir. You want the wheel spun or the rotor or anything in the way?
No, we're good.
Alright.
So those are all good. Now
All right, so
we're
the
going
top
up
ones you just set for 45.
to- Correct. 40,
Okay.
47.
47. So now the two are the what?
This one goes up to 75.
That yeah, get the other one. Oh, right here. Oh yeah, right here. I got a deep 19. Is that too much?
It might be too big. Yeah.
I've got a shallow one, but it's a 12 point.
Maybe bring it just in case.
All right.
What the fuck in this one?
Yeah, just so in the bottom, and then just a little bit. Yeah, lefty. Not too much, yeah. And then just send it. All right.
Fucking
These
clowns.
ones. There we go. Oh yeah. I want to hear that click.
I'd like to hear it too.
Let's hear that click. Just a couple times. Click. Oh.
My alignment's all out of whack now.
You think so?
I don't know. I did just loosen all of the fucking alignment. points.
Yeah. That sounds like a tomorrow problem, okay?
Well, I've been needing alignment since we moved here.
I thought you went and got. Oh no, you
No,
didn't
no.
go get one. Oh, there's the charm. Oh yeah.
All right, so I think we've done everything we need to do under here.
You did the shock mount. Oh,
Yeah, shock mount, bottom shock mount I did. I'm not worried about the upper shock mount. I don't think that's the issue.
Okay.
Oh, you know what? I want to check.
Oh yeah, we need to do your brake line now.
Yeah.
It's just on this side?
It's only on this side. It's
What's up?
I don't know if we're gonna be able to get in there with this.
Oh.
Yeah, ABS line.
All right, so maybe we're not gonna do that.
We need the bottom.
You can't get it from the back?
I wasn't able to this last time. Oh, maybe for like a
You think we had like an extension? I mean, the extension's gonna not multiply, but divide a little bit of the...
Yeah, but it's still be better than where we're at. So.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, maybe we have like a little 4-inch or 5-inch. Nope.
Not long enough?
Nope.
So
No,
you are using that one.
This is long as fuck. I don't even know how to twist this thing.
Is it gonna work?
I don't think so. I really don't think so.
Is that too long?
It might be. Let's see.
All right, do you want to take 2 smaller ones and put them together? Think like a little 8-inch?
This is just, it's not gonna work. Oh, it is gonna work.
It is?
Uh-huh.
Oh, wow. There you go. One for good measure. Oh, yes.
Don't know how accurate that is because...
Yeah. Well, I mean, so when you're using these,
Yeah.
as long as you're not connecting a bunch of them together.
Yeah.
Yeah. You know what I do want to get, and I do want to try out because I never actually tried them.
Huh.
Torque tube, like not torque tubes. What are they called? Torque. They like basically it's one of these, one of those, and once it gets to that torque, it'll pop. So you buy it for like 100 foot-pounds.
Yeah.
And they're different colors. So you buy a set and they're like $100, and you put them on. There'll be like an orange one, a blue one, and a green one, and they'll be like 60 foot-pounds, 80 foot-pounds, 100. Yeah. And so when you use an impact on them, once it gets to that pressure,
Yeah.
it'll pop them loose.
Interesting.
Yeah. It's expensive. I've never seen anybody use them though. Never once myself seen anybody.
So these uppers were definitely loose.
What's up?
These uppers were definitely loose.
How loose is loose?
I don't know, probably like 5-10 pounds.
Oh.
So say like half a spin.
All right, so we had to stop because the GoPro was overheating and dying. If anybody has a GoPro in a hot climate, you'd understand. So we just put it on a charger. All right, so we had to help the neighbor with something while we charged this GoPro. Now we're up to like 70-something%, so it might die again during this video, but then we'll try use one of the other ones. But we're on to the driver's side now, and as you stated before, one was really loose. Did you just try one?
No, I did both the tops.
And they're both loose?
The up front,
This
one right here, there's basically like another half turn.
Oh, before you even hit
actually,
torque?
do you have white out?
Ooh.
Because I'd like
Good
to
call.
mark all of these.
Let's
I
ask.
don't think I have them.
Let's ask Joe. What I do have is a paint marker.
Oh, that's exactly what we needed.
Okay. So
This is-
shake the heck out of it. And then, wait, pull that tip off again. Is that still yellowish? Yeah, so that one's never, yeah, it's been used. Okay, so just,
Soak it?
yeah, you just fold it and then just click it a shit ton of times. Well, I would put the cap on it because it's gonna start slinging out. And shake, you gotta shake it a lot because it's terrible. Just like that.